Oh my gosh. Holy gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, okay. Let's go to the back. Let's go to the back. Oh my gosh, these winds are super cold. Oh, did I forget to do the intro? I'm sorry. Anyways, hey guys, it's US Storms and Sirens. Today we're getting some strong wind gusts from a storm. And it looks like it's moving this way. But we're getting some strong winds from the storm itself. I'm sorry if I over-exaggerated at first, but this wind feels so cold and it smells like rain too. So I was over there just playing on my phone and I noticed that the winds were starting to pick up very heavily. The storm is moving our way, but it's moving slow. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just need to calm down. That's another severe thunderstorm right there. It's not severe, it's just a storm. But this storm is dumping buckets of rain right now. But the wind is picking up. See, hear the thunder? You hear it? Okay. Yeah, there's the wind over there. It's like vibrating the fence, dude. Those thunder cracks are shaking the fence. Oh my gosh. Yeah, as the storm moves closer though, as the storm gets closer here, the winds will get stronger. I hear trees swooshing right now. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna edit this into a short.